Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi in Minecraft. To begin your culinary journey, you will need to install a dedicated sushi crafting mod. This mod introduces new crops, like rice and soybeans, and essential tools to transform your raw ingredients into delicious sushi. You will learn to craft various sushi rolls, each offering unique in-game benefits beyond simple hunger restoration. To start, you'll need to gather specific ingredients. Plant and grow rice, cucumbers, soybeans, and wasabi root in your farm. Head to the ocean to catch new fish, such as tuna and shrimp, added by the mod. Next, craft essential equipment: a rice cooker for perfect rice, a fish cutting table for fillets, and a rolling mat for assembly. Don't forget a fermentation barrel to create soy sauce from soybeans. With your ingredients ready, it's time to craft. First, cook your harvested rice in the rice cooker, adding water and a fuel source. Next, create nori sheets by processing dried kelp blocks. On your rolling mat, combine the cooked rice, nori, and your chosen fillings, such as fish fillets or vegetables. You can craft many types, including maki, gunkan, California rolls, and nigiri, each with distinct appearances and effects. Once crafted, your sushi is ready to be enjoyed. Eating these delicious rolls will restore your hunger and provide unique positive effects, enhancing your gameplay. Experiment with different ingredient combinations to discover various buffs. Beyond consumption, you can also use your beautifully crafted sushi as decorative blocks to adorn your virtual kitchen or dining area. Share your culinary masterpieces with fellow players for a truly immersive experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.